Welcome to the Testimonials section. Here you can view, manage, and showcase client feedback effortlessly. Accessing the Testimonials section. From the main menu, select Testimonials via the sidebar. This section houses all client testimonials. The dashboard displays testimonials in a grid format where each testimonial appears as an individual card for easy review and management. Understanding testimonial cards. Each testimonial card includes client's name, clearly displayed for easy identification, status indicator, a color-coded dot representing the testimonial's origin, green, testimonials added through the admin interface, which can be edited, yellow, testimonials submitted by clients which cannot be modified. Status label clearly defines the testimonial status, such as new, published, reviewed, or withdrawn. Clicking the three-dot menu on any testimonial card allows for quick management actions. Edit, modify the content, title, or thumbnail only available for admin-added testimonials. Publish, make the testimonial publicly visible. Delete, permanently remove the testimonial. If needed, switch a testimonial to withdrawn to temporarily hide it. Use the search bar to find testimonials by client name. Apply filters to sort testimonials by date range. Creating a new testimonial. Click Add Testimonial in the top right corner. Choose between video testimonial or text testimonial and complete the required fields. Adding a video testimonial. Title client's name and job title establishes credibility. Describe your experience. A detailed account of the client's feedback, max 1,000 characters. Upload video. Maximum file size of 1 GB. Upload thumbnail. Recommended 1080 resolution in JPEG or PNG format. Click Save to finalize. As seen here, the testimonial has been added as new and yet to be published. Adding a text testimonial. Select the Text Testimonial tab. Enter the client's written feedback in the Describe Your Experience field. Upload a profile picture, optional but recommended. Enhance credibility by adding the client's photo. Click Save to finalize, and the testimonial will appear as new. Editing an existing testimonial. Navigate to the testimonial's dashboard. Click the three-dot menu on the desired testimonial and select Edit. Update any editable fields and save changes. Only admin-added testimonials can be edited. Client-submitted ones remain unchanged. Testimonials without client consent will not display the three-dot menu and cannot be published. The Testimonials feature empowers you to manage client feedback efficiently, highlight positive experiences, and build credibility for your offerings. By adding, reviewing, and publishing testimonials strategically, you create an engaging and trustworthy platform for potential clients. Start leveraging the power of testimonials today and watch your user engagement grow.